來一個安全嘅草橋，我又冇晒水氹添，乾嘅地下。啊！前面有，耶！前面有多水氹啊！識嗰啲 display 阻住我。
好衰，就係佢問我可唔可以將啲片發上去 share 出嚟喎，我梗係唔得啦，6月6號啊嘛，即係已經係。
真係得啦！
啲有創意嘅小學。哇！大水氹啦！其實佢哋 check 過晒啲路，將我哋呢個好安全嘅。
係啦，佢都話 check 咗一次啦。
係咯。晒啲路。
佢話又換 driver 再揸多次，會唔會你唔換 driver 冇得揸？
Stop the car, please stop the car. We will have the photographer outside to take nice pictures. Okay, whenever Charlie is ready with the camera, please be so kind to go and he will take the pictures.
真係唔笑得咯喎，唔俾笑添。
翻你度衝入口。
係啊，兜個圈嘅咋，唔得。跟住咪換 driver 咯。跟住再行第二條路。
No, I will take her all quota. Okay, I drive for her. Can I?
Of course, it's your decision, it's your car.
Okay. Thank you.
What? You're smokers?
No.
No.
Pause?
What's it?
Short break, 3 minutes?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just a short
Okay.
break
Alright.
if you need the trees or whatever.
Okay.
I know what you mean.